My name is Smith Patel, TYBSc student of PS Patel College, and today I will share you some information about COVID-19 protocol and vaccination. The novel coronavirus or COVID-19 disease can be stopped. Together, we can do it. I am confident that every Indian will not only face this crisis, but we have to win over this difficult time, and we will. But how? All we need to do is to take some basic precautions. Whenever you cough or sneeze, cover your mouth with tissue or handkerchief. Throw the used tissues into the dustbin immediately. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth unnecessarily. Practice good hand hygiene. Wash your hands with soap more frequently and for at least 20 seconds. Wear a mask. Make sure it covers both your nose and mouth. Practice social distancing. Maintain at least 6 feet of distance between you and other. Work from home. If you can, staying at home is the safest thing you can do for yourself. Take care of your physical and mental health. Don't ignore your own symptoms because long time it's dangerous for you and your family. If you have the symptoms of COVID-19, visit your nearest health facilities or hospital immediately. Avoid participating large gathering, avoid handshake, avoid contact with others, avoid unnecessary travel. Now, vaccination. Safe, effective COVID-19 vaccines will offer protection against the virus, helping to prevent death and serious illness. But how do they actually work? Like other vaccines such as the flu shot, COVID-19 vaccine will be given with a needle. This triggers an immune response in the body, which is the body's natural way of defending itself. The vaccine will strengthen your immune system by training it to recognize and fight against the virus that causes COVID-19. Vaccine may contain either killed or weakened version of the virus that caused the disease or a small part of virus such as a protein. There is no risk that you will get the disease from a vaccine. When your immune system recognizes this virus or parts of it in the vaccine being foreign, it responds by creating memory cells and antibodies that will protect you against future infection of disease. As a result, you will be less likely to have severe COVID-19 symptoms after a vaccination. Stay home, stay safe. Staying homes and save lives. जो साथ रहे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया. Thank you very much.
इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा